I've been comparing Recruit CRM and Loxo throughout 2025, and both platforms offer robust recruitment solutions, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize a user-friendly, customizable experience or a comprehensive, AI-driven system. Recruit CRM is designed with small to mid-sized recruitment agencies in mind. It combines an applicant tracking system, ATS, and customer relationship management, CRM, into a single, intuitive platform. Key features include AI-powered resume parsing, candidate matching, and GPT integration for generating job descriptions and email templates. The platform also offers workflow automation, advanced analytics, and seamless integrations with over 5,000 apps. Recruit CRM's user-friendly interface and customizable workflows make it an ideal choice for agencies seeking efficiency and scalability without a steep learning curve. Loxo, on the other hand, is tailored for larger staffing firms and enterprises that require a comprehensive, scalable solution. It offers a wide range of features, including advanced AI search and match capabilities, automation tools, and robust reporting. Loxo's platform supports complex workflows and integrates with various third-party applications, making it suitable for organizations with intricate recruitment processes. However, its extensive feature set may require a more significant investment in training and implementation. If you're a small to mid-sized agency looking for a customizable, user-friendly platform to streamline your recruitment processes, Recruit CRM is a strong contender. Conversely, if you're part of a larger organization that demands a comprehensive, enterprise-level system with advanced features and integrations, Loxo may be the better fit. If this comparison helped you determine which platform aligns better with your recruitment needs, please like the video, share it with someone exploring recruitment solutions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.